So this song that we're going to do is actually one that we used to play with the Buddha Brothers, so it was near and dear to Gary's heart. And it amazed me when he brought this out because it's an old folk song. And I started learning about Gary's folk side. We bonded on Peter, Paul, and Mary, which my brother used to listen to, and all sorts of things. And Four Strong Winds is by Ian and Sylvia, Canadian duo. And just a couple weeks before Gary passed, he had actually asked me about, learning the song again because he wanted to play it again. He wanted me to refresh on it, so I thought this is the most appropriate song to be playing. For you, Gary. Feel free to sing along if you know the chorus. It's Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But all good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go back to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I can go to, working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind. If I ask you one more time, but we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are going good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, way too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold without there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high. We love you, Gary.